Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about months of the year. Do you know how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Let's see what is the name of the month. January. This is January. The next month is February. This is February. The next month is March. This is March. The next month is April. This is April. Now the next month is May. This is May. And the now next month is June. This is June. And the next month is July. This is July. And the next month is August. This is August. And the next month is September. This is September. And the next month is October. This is October. And the next month is November. This is November. And the last month is December. This is December. The first month is January. The second month is February. The third month is March. The fourth month is April. The fifth month is May. The sixth month is June. The seventh month is July. The eighth month is August. Ninth month is September. And 10th month is October. And 10 and 1. 11th month is November. And 12th month is December.
Let's play a quiz. Tell me, what month comes before February? Yes, it is January. Now, tell me, what month comes after June? Yes, it's July. Now, tell me, what month comes before October? Yes, it's September. Now, tell me, what month comes after November? Yes, you are right. It's December.
So children, do practice and read at home. সমস্ত হলিয়ারিয়া স্কুলের গার্জেনদের বলা হচ্ছে আপনারা বাচ্চাদের এইভাবে চার্ট বানিয়েও মান্থ অফ দ্য ইয়ার পড়াতে পারেন, অথবা আমাদের ভিডিও খুলে দিয়েও আপনাদের বাচ্চাদের মান্থ অফ দ্য ইয়ারের ধারণা দিতে পারেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।